What's up, guys? How you doing? And welcome back to the channel. So today is my first night for April, back on the mission. So I never owned a Klaken before. This is from Klaken Knives. New to me, not to some. I've seen them on, I've seen them on other videos. This is a bigger boy, but we're gonna get into it in a second. It doesn't really have a name. It just says like Klaken folding, blah blah blah. Anyways, let's open the box. Let's see what's inside. Now I heard they have cool sheets, and I've seen them in videos, but that's a good selling point right there. So yeah. What else is in here? Get out of it. Oh, got a wipey. What is this? What is this? Maybe it's something important. Is it important? Oh, stuff. Does it have like information? Using your knife, sharpening your knife, cleaning and maintenance, warranty, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't say anything about it. Anyways, that's fine. Little microfiber. Actually, kind of looks like, it's a cloth. Whatever. Not important. But here is the sheath thingy. This is actually pretty cool. So you put on your belt loop, and you could probably fit other knives in here. So you can like have your little Klaken case and put like a QSP or like a Kaiser or something else that's cool. But I'm not saying this knife's not cool now. Don't get me wrong. Anyways, let's take a look at it. All right, right off the rip, the size is my kind of thing. All right, look at that blade. Look at the blade. Nice little drop point. It's got like flat finish on there. Got a little release the Klaken deal going on. Okay, hold up. No jimping. I got jimped on the jimping. Gypped on the jimping. Got some nice knife juice on there. Working with D2. And so far, so good. It looks pretty nice. Like I said, no jimping, so I'm going to be sliding all over the place with this thing. But see how it closes? Ooh, okay. Okay, Klaken. Try that again. Watch it. Wow. That's some good action. It feels good. Push button work? Sure the heck does. And it flies the hell out of there. Okay, Klaken, I'm getting you. I'm impressed so far. D2 blade steel. Let's feel that edge. Ooh, pretty sharp out of the box for sure. Ergos are there for sure. Feels my hand. You can see it poking out there, so no problems with that. It's a bigger guy. I think what is it, a 3.5-inch blade on there. Not sure of the overall. Amazon won't tell you much. Actually, you know what? Let me click on this thing. They have a thing. Hold on. Okay, so overall, it is 8.07, 3.54 length. Let's see if there's any blade wiggle. Solid as heck. All right, let's take a look at the scales and the other stuff. Look at that nice little orange ring on there. Black and orange, I've always liked that color combo. Reversible clip, lefties rejoice. Little Klaken branding on the clip. Let's feel that clip. Very good clip. Not too tight, not too loose. Screws are sticking out just a bit. Could get caught up, but nice deep carry. Little backspacer action. In case I didn't mention, there's some G10 scales going on. But overall, all right, man. Centered up. Nice and centered. Dude, where have you been? How much is this thing? $22, bro. Oh, sorry. Let me round it up. $23, bro. That's nuts. For a $23 knife. Okay, April, I'm sorry. What month? Did I say April? It's May. I suck at time. It's May. Got to be May, just like Justin Timberlake said. Anyways, it's May. So if you go back to the beginning of the video when I said April, you can call me a dumbass. It's May. So this is the first knife of May, and it's a winner. Look at that. I'm going to show you guys one more time, just because. What the hell? Why is the action so good on that thing? Snappy as heck. Not heavy at all. They don't, like I said, they don't have weights, do they? Oh yeah, it is. 3.92 ounce. Light, good action, knife juice, sharp. We got a winner, guys. Is May going to be a good month? I think it is so far. All right. So that's the Klaken with no name. Survival hunting knife, flipper, camping, hiking knife for men and women, EDC tool, pocket clip. That's what it says on Amazon. So just look for the one with the orange little circle on there. But I will be buying more Klaken knives, apparently. What the hell? Thank you guys for watching. that is all for today. Thank you to all the veterans out there. I love you guys, and the active duty guys, stay safe. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.